guys, with summer in full swing, I thought it'd be really fun to make a crisscross crop top in today's tutorial. So in the next 5 minutes, I'll be walking you through how to use your own body measurements to create a look that's entirely your own that's gonna fit perfect. For this project, you'll need 2 rectangular strips of black stretch fabric, scissors, a measuring tape, a basic sewing machine, and a basic sewing kit. Start out by measuring your bust line. You're gonna want this to be the width that's gonna cover your entire breast. Take the width of your bust measurement and double it. This is going to be how wide your rectangle is. So now, fold that rectangular strip in half and pin along the long hot dog seam. Once your pins are in place, use a zigzag stitch on your sewing machine or a serger to sew this line. Before we can move on, you'll need to make this measurement across your bust and then trim your rectangular tubes to that size. Once you've trimmed your tubes down to your new measurement size, flip them inside out and then fold them in half again. After your long tube is folded in half, use sewing pins to hold it in place. Now sew the wide sides together and you should be left with 2 circle sections of fabric. To create your crisscross crop top, all you're going to do is put one loop inside the other. Now try your shirt on and use sewing pins to mark the 4 sections at the top, bottom, and sides of your shirt where you want it tacked in place. Use a hand sewing needle to make these little tacks so you never have any wardrobe malfunctions.